guys, let's just unpack on Linda Baga Hungani no Stephanie, right? Their breakup, yeah, bro. I was shocked. I was just like, hey, yo, about relationships, like, what happens? But I guess at the end of the day, guys, relationships are hard. I've always said with relationships are hard, whether it's your family member, your friend, your mom, your parent. Basically, your sister, relationships are very hard. It's something that you need to work on, like you will do here on YouTube. It's an everyday thing. It's consistent. You cannot just wake up and be like, oh, my relationship is great, but you don't put in anything. But I'm just like, yo, I want to do living it up. Especially as YouTube. At some stage, you be staying in New York. Oh, it's just like, oh my gosh, this life is crazy. But at the same time, guys, what normally happens is that you don't know the dynamics. You don't know behind the scenes which happened to they going through the most. So I was actually shook to hear this news about this couple, because I guess maybe out of 10 couples for the past at least 3 years for me, they were the best. But like I'm saying, Uguti, there's a lot behind people's problems. When you just see nje ngaphandle uthi hey no nazo nabe inkinga but azikho kanjalo. Azikho that bad. But you know what, guys? At the end of the day, like I always say on this channel, more especially with you know what, asazi ama-dynamics singabonga nje ngaphandle, because kuyashiwo guys ukuthi umshado nje futhi especially ama-celebrity and those people who are out there asibeke kanjalo. So I think it just came down to ukuthi you know what, akusasebenzeki good relationship, we have to go our separate ways. There is no way we can continue with this front, because like I'm saying, sometimes it's just the front that you're putting, but until when? And there's a lot, people are different, things start to come out, and if you pass the 5 years, I know, then things are great, and then it just didn't work. Guys, it's sad and all. I mean, I like relationships, I like people to be together, but at the same time, we can't force things, guys. In my relationship, if it's time to go, it's time to go. And in some relationships, it's not even about cheating. There was nothing there. We just grew apart. We just done. Like, you get there. Because there's nothing you can do. Like, even friendships, like I'm saying, any kind of relationship, really. Even family, there's even family members, like you just like, I be like, guys, or putting in. I'm actually tired now of calling and doing stuff. You're just like, no, I'm actually done. Someone was just saying, they genuinely looked happy on the internet. Yeah, but guys, they particularly not, but I'm putting a front every day for people. That's crazy. That's crazy, guys. You can't live your life like that. It might have looked solid ngaphandle, but there were cracks then. We see them now. They just blew up like cracks. Now akusacontroleka usazi, just like angisafuni, I don't know how to be with you. And I think one person actually came with it and they're like, oh my gosh, asiyeke uyabona ukuthi akusebenzeki. And indaba ke lo iphuma kancane kancane ukuthi no, actually they've been separated for the past year. Uyabona ukuthi kuningi, and chances are there's still more that's coming, because now you know how it is. And it's internet to know Hungani is breaking his silence after the divorce. But Labanto is being separated for a year there. So you want to that's still gonna. But now you want to it's a problem with you on the socials and you're out there. That's how I normally put it. And then indaba zakho manje seziyaziwa awukwazi kuyifihla, and even namanje angazi ukuthi kutshe kanjani, who even came up with their story. So now it comes off ungathi uStephanie who actually initiated the divorce and was like I was saying ukuthi khona vele uyi-one uzothi hey no, we've tried, let's cut it off, into kanjalo. And then sisters was citing infidelity problems. Kungenzeka-ke guys ukuthi izindaba zomachitha, because yazini, I've always said this is why yabo uma kufanele ukuthi ushade, shade usuqedile, because yabo if you're gonna be having a wandering eye uzoba neyinkinga elifini, uzobanjwa. Azi nje ukuthi you are content, you are done favoring, you want to concentrate on one person. If you're not a one person, you're gonna have a problem. So-ke manje qhamuka iy'tori zokuthi-ke ubrother had a wandering eye, ubehala on the sides, ehalela abanye abantu. Oh guys, those are crazy things. This is why nje ungazifosti ukuthi ushade ubuzazi ukuthi awukhoni, or you wanna become a polygamist. So mina my thing is that then it became a problem. Okay? And usisters, that's when they separated in July. So labantu banonyaka bengahlali bonke. So they were bound to say, no, actually now, let's put it out there and then be those people manje about divorce. It's been a while. And I think they were still trying to work it out. We want to be like, oh my gosh, Zami Fuzi. Zaman, guys, please. Let's just move on in life. On the 9th of June, kwahlukaniselana-ke izinto-ke, ama-properties and all of that, and basically the estates, everything that we had together, you know, because these people also have had, I was like, who's going to continue with the YouTube channel? So ngizothi had YouTube channel ngoba angazi guys, how the dynamics as how is it going to continue. So kuthiwa Ungani is going to continue with the other property angazi kanjani taking care of it, but bazohlukaniselana ezinye izinto. They actually came to that agreement on the 9th of June. Thina nje sizwa later kahle saqediwe mina ngokwami, we actually done, we are divorced in a way. And I think after this umuntu uzozimela, akekho umuntu othi you're going to take care of me, and that whole thing, spousal maintenance, ukuthi okay wena Ungani take care of Stephanie, this is how much you're going to be paying every. No, my mail sizimele ngiwari nge-YouTube channel like I said. So bahlukana-ke kanjalo-ke, and then-ke no Stephanie usayinile ukuthi okay, this is the agreement, this is the stuff that we have. Obviously guys, not gonna tell you the nitty-gritties and break it down to you into zabantu manje you in their house. Yibona leyo nto like inandaba kakhulu, usungenelele. Mina ngifila kanjalo ukuthi no, it's fine. Siyazi ukuthi okay bahlukaniselene, there's no alimony, you know, those things ukuthi okay Ungani is going to be paying your sisters some things every month, like this other couple engizwe ngayo on the weekend ukuthi brothers ukhokha 120,000 for her. I was just like, what? Ngiyazaphinda phela asebenza usisi wakho. Although 120,000 maybe in the next year or two is nothing, but njengamanje ngiyacabanga ukuthi enough. It's just like, all right, akahlale but usale nani indlu. So yabona ukuthi this why ngithe ngiyazi asebenze lo. There's no way. So iphelela lapho guys, there you have it. Thank you so much guys for always supporting this channel. Oh my gosh, ngithandani guys. Thank you.